Have you ever wondered, what are the 10 most deadly weapons Ukraine has used against Russia? A question that, given the ongoing conflict between these two nations, holds significant weight. The answer isn't as straightforward as one might think. Ukraine's military arsenal is a mosaic of firepower comprised of various lethal weapons. Some of these weapons have their origins in the United States, Britain, France, and other European countries. These nations have come to Ukraine's aid, supplying them with the means to hold their ground against a formidable adversary. From the sky to the sea, on land, and in the digital realm, Ukraine's varied arsenal has proven to be a key factor in this conflict. So, without further ado, let's dive into the list of the deadliest weapons Ukraine has used in this conflict. Coming in at number 1, we have combat aircrafts. The Ukrainian Air Force boasts an array of these high-flying fortresses. From the nimble MiG-29 fighters to the formidable Su-27, each aircraft brings its unique capabilities to the table. The MiG-29, for instance, is a twin-engine jet fighter known for its agility and speed. It's been crucial in maintaining air superiority, swooping in swiftly to neutralize threats. On the other hand, the Su-27, a heavy-duty air superiority fighter, is armed to the teeth with air-to-air missiles and automatic cannons, capable of engaging targets from a safe distance. It's a flying fortress, if you would, shielding the skies from unwelcome intruders. And let's not forget the Su-25, a close air support aircraft. It's designed for direct ground attacks, supporting ground troops and taking out enemy fortifications. It's the hawk that soars close to the ground, striking fear in the heart of foes. These aircrafts have played a significant role in the conflict, providing Ukraine with superior aerial capabilities. Next on our list are the missiles. These high-speed weapons of war have played a crucial role in Ukraine's defense strategy. Missiles come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific purpose. Surface-to-surface missiles, for instance, are used to hit ground targets from a distance. These missiles are equipped with advanced guidance systems, allowing them to hit their targets with pinpoint accuracy. Some of them have a range of several hundred kilometers, making them an excellent tool for long-distance warfare. Then there are the anti-aircraft missiles, designed to take down enemy aircrafts. These are typically launched from mobile units and are capable of tracking and intercepting targets mid-air, making them a formidable defense against aerial attacks. But what makes these missiles truly impactful is their destructive power. Equipped with high-explosive warheads, they can cause significant damage to enemy infrastructure and equipment. In the hands of the Ukrainian forces, these missiles have proven to be highly effective, helping them to keep their adversaries at bay. These missiles have been a game changer for Ukraine, giving them the ability to strike at a distance. At number 3, we have drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles have become a game changer in the modern battlefield. In the conflict between Ukraine and Russia, drones have played a crucial role, providing an eye in the sky for surveillance and reconnaissance operations. They've allowed Ukrainian forces to gather valuable intelligence, scout enemy positions, and monitor Russian troop movements without risking human lives. But their utility doesn't stop there. Drones have also been used for targeted strikes, delivering a lethal blow with pinpoint accuracy. A recent example is the drone strike on a Russian oil refinery, illustrating the strategic and tactical advantage these machines provide. They're not just about gathering intel, they're also about making a decisive impact when it matters most. However, it's worth noting that drones are vulnerable to anti-aircraft systems, as evidenced by Moscow's interception and destruction of Ukrainian drones. Nevertheless, their contribution to Ukraine's defense efforts cannot be understated. Drones have provided Ukraine with a tactical edge, allowing them to gather intelligence and carry out precise attacks. Tanks are the 4th deadly weapon on our list. Now, when you think of a battlefield, it's hard not to picture these mechanical beasts lumbering across the terrain, and Ukraine's tank arsenal is nothing to scoff at. Among their ranks, they boast a variety of tanks, each with their own unique capabilities. Let's take a moment to talk about the Oplot M. This is a Ukrainian main battle tank, known for its robust armor and hefty firepower. It's equipped with a 125mm smoothbore gun and has a combat weight of around 50 tons. It's a tank that commands respect on the battlefield. Then there's the T-64 and the T-72 Soviet-era tanks that Ukraine has modernized to meet the challenges of today's conflicts. With improved firepower, enhanced protection, and better mobility, these tanks are a testament to Ukraine's ability to adapt and overcome. Tanks have a critical role in ground combat. They are the spearhead of any assault, designed to punch through enemy lines, while their thick armor protects the soldiers inside from hostile fire. They're mobile fortresses, providing a balance of offense and defense. Tanks have been a key component of Ukraine's ground forces, providing them with heavy firepower and protection. Fifth on our list is artillery. The Ukrainian forces have an array of artillery at their disposal, each with its unique capabilities and role on the battlefield. From light guns to heavy howitzers, these weapons provide the much-needed range and firepower to support their ground forces. Howitzers, for instance, are renowned for their long-range capabilities, often positioned far behind the front lines but capable of delivering devastating blows to enemy positions. With their adjustable firing angles, these heavy hitters can lob shells over hills and other obstacles, making them ideal for attacking entrenched enemies. Then we have the lighter field guns. Though not as powerful as the howitzers, these artillery pieces are more mobile, allowing for quick repositioning on the battlefield. Their versatility and speed make them invaluable in providing direct fire support for infantry and armored units. Beyond this, Ukraine has also utilized rocket artillery. These systems can unleash a barrage of rockets in a short span, creating a rain of steel and fire over a wide area. This sort of shock and awe tactic can be a game changer in battles, breaking enemy lines and sowing chaos among their ranks. Artillery has been instrumental in Ukraine's success, providing them with long-range firepower. Coming in at number 6, we have anti-aircraft systems. These are the unsung heroes of Ukraine's defense arsenal. With the skies often teeming with enemy aircraft, it's these systems that keep the Ukrainian forces safe. There's a variety of these systems in play, each with specific roles. For instance, the Buk missile system, known for its long-range capabilities, can reach targets up to 25 miles away. That's like hitting a bullseye from London to Oxford. Then there's the Tor system, which, while having a shorter range, offers unparalleled accuracy, making it perfect for defending key installations. And let's not forget the Panzer system, a jack-of-all-trades with both surface-to-air missiles and automatic cannons. These systems do more than just shoot down enemy aircraft. They create a sort of aerial no-man's land, deterring attacks and providing a protective shield for Ukraine's forces. These anti-aircraft systems have been vital in protecting Ukraine's forces from aerial attacks. Seventh on our list are infantry weapons. The backbone of any army, these weapons are used by the soldiers on the ground, in the thick of the action. Ukraine's infantry arsenal is varied and versatile, ranging from rifles and machine guns to rocket launchers. Each weapon has its unique role, but all are designed for one purpose: to give the Ukrainian soldiers an edge in close combat situations. Rifles, for instance, are the standard weapon for foot soldiers, offering a balance between range, power, and maneuverability. Machine guns, on the other hand, provide overwhelming firepower, used to suppress enemy positions and keep their heads down. Rocket launchers are the infantry's answer to armored threats, able to deliver a devastating punch to tanks and fortified positions. These infantry weapons have been crucial in Ukraine's ground combat operations. They are the tools with which the Ukrainian soldiers meet the enemy, face to face on the battlefield. At number 8, we have naval vessels. The Ukrainian Navy is a force to be reckoned with, boasting a range of vessels of varying sizes and capabilities. These include frigates, corvettes, and gunboats, each with their own unique role in naval warfare. Frigates, for instance, are the backbone of any fleet, providing a balance between firepower, speed, and versatility. They are designed for a range of missions, from anti-submarine warfare to escort duties. Corvettes, on the other hand, are smaller than frigates, but pack a punch with their powerful weapons systems. These swift vessels are perfect for patrolling territorial waters and conducting quick strikes when necessary. Then there are gunboats, small but highly maneuverable vessels, perfect for coastal defense. Armed with high-caliber guns and missile systems, these boats can pack a serious punch against larger vessels. The naval vessels of Ukraine, whether it be a frigate, a corvette, or a gunboat, are each a testament to the country's naval prowess. These naval vessels have provided Ukraine with a strong presence at sea. Ninth on our list is cyber warfare. A modern battlefield isn't just about physical force and firepower, it's also about digital dominance. Ukraine has been employing cyber warfare as a strategic tool in its conflict with Russia. This form of warfare isn't about bullets or bombs, but about bytes. It's about disrupting the enemy's communications, crippling their infrastructure, and sowing confusion in their ranks. Ukraine's cyber warfare capabilities have come to the fore, with numerous reports of them successfully disrupting Russian military communications. This disruption goes beyond the battlefield, extending to infrastructure, causing significant challenges in logistics and planning for the Russian side. The beauty of cyber warfare lies in its subtlety. It's a silent weapon, one that doesn't announce its presence with a bang, but with a blackout. It's about infiltrating the enemy's systems, not their territory. It's about turning their own technology against them, making it a weapon in your arsenal. In the digital age, a well-placed piece of code can be as devastating as a well-aimed missile. Cyber warfare has provided Ukraine with a new and effective tool in this conflict. The 10th and final deadly weapon on our list is guerrilla warfare. This is not a conventional weapon like a missile or a tank, but rather a strategy, an approach to combat that has been instrumental in Ukraine's defense against Russia. Guerrilla warfare involves small, mobile groups of combatants using hit-and-run tactics to disrupt the enemy. These tactics include ambushes, sabotage, raids, and elements of surprise. In Ukraine's case, guerrilla warfare has been used to keep the larger and more powerful Russian forces off balance. By using the familiarity of their home terrain and the support of local populations, Ukrainian fighters have managed to disrupt Russian operations, often disappearing before substantial counterattacks can be mounted. This form of warfare is all about asymmetry, leveraging the strengths of the smaller force against the vulnerabilities of the larger one. It's a testament to the resilience and resourcefulness of the Ukrainian people. Guerrilla warfare has allowed them to punch well above their weight, turning the tables on a force that, on paper, outmatches them in almost every way. Guerrilla warfare has been a key strategy for Ukraine, allowing them to effectively resist a larger and more powerful adversary. That concludes our list of the 10 most deadly weapons Ukraine has used against Russia. We've delved into a spectrum of weaponry, from combat aircraft soaring the skies to the silent but deadly cyber warfare. Each weapon has its unique role in this intricate dance of war. The missile's precision, the drone's agility, the tank's resilience, and the artillery's sheer force have all been instrumental in Ukraine's defense. The anti-aircraft systems have kept the skies clear, while infantry weapons have held the lines on the ground. Naval vessels patrolled the waters, and guerrilla warfare tactics turned every corner into an opportunity. But remember, it's not just about the weapons themselves, it's about the strategic minds behind them, the brave souls operating them, and the global allies supplying them. From the United States to Britain, France, and other European nations, international support has been a key factor in this conflict. While the conflict continues, these weapons have played a crucial role in Ukraine's defense and resistance against Russian aggression.